Good morning, sir. My name is Shankar. I am 28 years old. I am from Nepal, Banke. I have 7 members in my family. I have passed class 10. My height is 4 feet 9 inches and weight is 50 kg. I like to cooking, watching movie, playing game, etc. I have 5 years of work experience as a poultry farm worker in Nepal, Banke. My job is to care for poultry feeding and water cleaning and washing area, spraying, collecting eggs, spraying medicine, cleaning room and area faculty, removing dead chicken, vaccination chicks. I want to come to any European country as a poultry farm worker to earn money and support my family. I am hard work and honest person. I will stay there for the long time. I can work in any cold or temperature like up to 30 to 10 degree. I will complete my contract agreement of 3 years. If not, I am ready for deduction penalties. I will follow company rules and policy properly. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Shankar. I am 28 years old. I am from Banke, Nepal. My education level is SLC pass. I have 7 members in my family. I have 1 year experience in poultry farm helper.